Who? There once was a lady who hadn't seen any sunlight for about 30 years. She owned her own retail store, and by the time she got out of the store, the sun was already fading. She then retired after 30 years and sold the business. She could now enjoy gardening and all that fun stuff outdoors. That is until she went outside for the first time. Her cheeks blew up just like a chipmunk stuffs his face with peanuts. We cleared her of the sun sensitivity, and it's been 7 years now and she has not shown a single reaction. What? To most people, they do not have this problem, but some have had this sensitivity in a big way. How? We clear the sun sensitivity vial, and your client's body will now rebalance itself and recognize the sun.